So this program has been a great journey for me. These 5 days were excellent. I don't know, I couldn't even learn a line before, and now it has transformed me. I've got so many techniques to learn. I thank sir for this class. It has given me a lot of confidence on learning. I would like to thank you, sir, and welcome him on the stage.
So hi, this has been a wonderful 5 days teaching 12 guys techniques of memory. So you might have already seen the part video where he had done the Kalidas thing. Here we have
Kavish.
Here we have Kavish. So in fact, all the methods that we did were excellent, and journey method and the number to regenerate your neurons is one of the best methods that we have done with the entire team.
I would recommend all of you to please come to the sir's classes, because it's very great. You love math, science. You know, I hated sciences, but now I love it because the methods which he has given me has helped me over the time. And you know, it is a great bonding between us, because it creates another feeling of a teacher. Like, you know, gurus, they teach and they give you practical examples. That's what he did. I thank you for it, sir.
Wow, thank you. Thank you for participating in the entire exercises. That is important. And everybody participated. That's why you can take out knowledge out of it. Anyways, thank you. Thanks, Ed.
Yes, sir.